Another awful sunny day and I've nothing much to lose. I really should go back to work but I cannot stand the shoes. So I'll meet you at the cemetery where we can read the stones and think about how short life is and how we'll die alone. And if you must be ordinary then try to have some class. Haven't got a pretty face, well have a shapely arse. Another awful sunny day and I've nothing much to lose. I really should go back to work but I'd rather watch the news. As the rain falls down on this humdrum town, the vicar wears a frown. And the rain falls down as it soaks the ground, making the mud profound. I'll meet you on the windy moor or by the old canal. Oh, it seems like such a shame that life is so banal. I'll meet you by the iron bridge, the disused factory, where once I slipped my toe I stopped and also grazed my knee. Meet you at the old grey house beneath the lowering sky, and I will end up wondering who'll be the first to die. I'll walk across the local park to meet you at the front. Oh God, I wish I wasn't such a miserable cursor. As Sally collected money in her canister, the vicar came sliding down the